So if you saw the service video to this Rotel RVC240, you'd see we brought it up from 2.6 watts to full 4 watt output, and the receiver wasn't bad at all at 0.33 microvolts for 12 decibel sound. Managed to get that down to 0.27 and down to 0.23 for 10 dB. So there we go, good set. It's one of Mr. Chucking Farming's, and it's one which he has in everyday use. So it's just in for routine service, and we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. I will be poised with my extension speaker. There's the wire. We'll start off on the internal one to make sure all this plethora of knobs are in the right position. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, just about to plug my extension speaker in.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm now ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. I think my camera's sinking on one side. We've got a Titanic tripod, have we?
Well, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, we've got a tone control.
Roger that, have you got mic gain control as well?
Yeah, that's brought the mic gain up.
Yeah, that's better. Right, just passing the passing place and doggy daycare as we head up towards the end of the line.
Just to position. Roger on that, that's fine, thank you.
Roger. Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger. Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, on that.
Right, we're nearly square wheeled, but not, and we're passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that, going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the road.
On the Rotel RVC240, Jason Cybernet 134 shots from 1981, lose 441 output, and I'm on the standard replacement of microphone.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Roger.
Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Yeah, Roger, I'll just flick this clear normal, switch we're on normal at the moment. Just flick it into clear. No, we're in clear, that's probably why it sounds funny. I'll go to normal, there we are in normal, testing 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I thought it sounded a bit tinny for that type of set, but I thought maybe now I'm wrong, but there you go.
I don't know, no wonder.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, Nancy on this Rotel RVC240 CB27 upper-tier chassis from 1981 on a standard replacement mic within the 4 watt output with radiator drawing 1.3 amps. Going to go to low power, it's set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we're on low power, radiator now drawing 600 milliamps and delivering 400 milliwatts back to full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Yeah, roger that, no problem on full power, but there's a bit of noise tonight, so low power was noisy but legible.
Roger on that, you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over. Yeah, 136.9 and 144.7.
Here we go, that works for treat, thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rotel level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 136.9 and 144.7.
There we go, that worked a treat, thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Absolutely great. We'll go over to our 76900 base station, which has exactly the same innards as this radio, Cybernet 134, and we'll try it with a factory original Rotel microphone. This isn't a reproduction, it's a genuine made in Japan original. So it looks the same, but it's going to have a different insert to our standard replacement mic, so chances are it's going to sound different.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC240 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at full power, then we'll pop it on low power. So this is a hum test. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power and back to full power. Now we'll try it with the mic. And testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2 onto